Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me, Juliana. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and do not forget to click the like button at the end of this video. Today we'll be making this beautiful laptop bag. So if you want to know how it's done, keep on watching. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me, Juliana. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and do not forget to like the video at the end. Today I'll be making a laptop bag. Here I have my laptop. That's all you need for this tutorial. You get your fabric, your tape measure, your zipper in case if you, the one we are making today is has a zipper. So, but there are some that doesn't have zipper, but today we'll be making it with this zipper and the handle. So let's go straight to it. So what you need to do is to cut out the fabric. Use your laptop to take a measurement of your laptop with your fabric. Just place it like so. You place your laptop. That will give you the accurate measurement. And you fold it like this, you see, and you cut along there, along your laptop. But don't forget to leave your sewing allowance. Sewing allowance is very, very important. So, and your zipper, you check the measurement of your laptop. That will determine the size of the zipper you're going to use. So, and your, yes, I think that's it. And also you also equally decide if you're going to put like side bag. I'm going to put a side, like a pocket outside the laptop bag. So this is the fabric. I just cut it out. You just go with the flow. Just determine either you want small outside pocket, and you have to just cut out, it doesn't matter the shape, whatever you want to go, but this is what I will use today to make my side pocket. So after cutting out all your fabric, the next thing to do is to place your zipper. You place your zipper like so. You have to turn the good side to the back, turn it back. And also I forgot to mention the lining. I'm putting lining today, but if you don't want to put lining, it's optional. But I'm going with lining. I'm going to sew it today with the lining. So follow the same pattern and cut out your lining, the same measurement. So now we place our zipper. Here is the zipper. You go like this. You insert the zipper inside. You see how I insert my zipper? Go like this. It will be in between the good side, the side facing down, and the good side of your lining. Both of them will be facing the zipper, like so. You pin it down. It's a very easy tutorial, but if you don't need a lining, it's simpler when you are not making it with lining. So yes, like so. You see how I place my zipper in between the two fabric? So the two fabrics will be like closing the zipper. The zipper will be in between. So I'll continue to pin it down. You pin down till the end. But before you sew it down, either you are stitching it with your needle, or but it's better to sew with your sewing machine. That will give you nice strong bag. You know, you don't wanna. You are doing this to protect your laptop. You don't wanna. You don't want anything to happen to your laptop or for it to break. So it's better to sew. But if you are using your needle, you have to stitch, double your stitches to make it stronger. So like so, you see how I'm placing it? I'm placing the pins to hold the zipper and the fabric together. Yes, you continue like this. till the end. So after this, I will go and I will sew it down from here, from this end till this end. But before I do that, quickly I will show you guys. Before I do that, I will open up my zipper. I'll open it like so. So I'll open up my zipper and sew it down. So after you open up the zipper to be able to put it in your sewing machine and sew it down. So after that, I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, I'll finish stitching it down. I'll finish sewing it down with my sewing machine. And now the next thing to do is to flip it like this to the good side. And I'll place my side bag. Remember the side pocket I told you guys? It's optional. So I'll place it like so. But before I do that, in order to know the right place to place your side bag, you have to put your fabric like this. Put them together, fold them into two. You see, I already marked here. So you fold it into two equal parts to get the right place to place your side pocket. So now, as you guys can see, I've ironed down the edges to help me, enable me place it easily. See, now like so, I'll place it like this, and I'll use my pin to pin it together with my fabric. Just before you do that, make sure the fabric is facing the good side, and you know you follow the pattern of your fabric, the design. Like you can see here, the design here, the bed, they are facing here and they're facing up the right position of the fabric. So yes, I'll place the side pocket like so, and make sure you place them in the right place. They are in right proportion. You can use your tape measure to measure the sides, or you can eyeball it. You see, 2.5 inches, and this side as well, 2.5. So everything is in the right proportion. The next thing to do now is to use your pins to pin it down to your fabric. Pin the both sides, the sides, and all the edges. After pinning it down, when you are sewing, oh sorry, lest I forget, before I sew it down to my fabric, I'll first of all take it to my sewing machine again. You see these edges, the folded part here, I'll use my sewing machine to stitch it, go from here to the end, to give it a nice finishing before I can place it to my fabric. So I'll go now and stitch it down and sew it down to my fabric. I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Yes, I've finished stitching it down the side pocket, you see. So our side pocket is ready. I double stitch it, see, after the first stitch, just to make everything nice and neat. So now I'll fold it like so to put down the zipper, the other side of the zipper. You see, I'll place it like so. Hope you are watching what I'm doing. You put your fabric like so and fold the lining like so. Make sure you hold the edges. The edges are, both of them are facing each other properly and they are equal. So now I'll use my pin to pin it down to hold both of them together. So place it like so, so that, see what I'm doing. The zipper is always, when you are putting your zipper in the right way, make to know the right way that you are doing the right thing. The zipper is always in between the two fabric, the lining and the main fabric. So I'll continue to pin it down till the end. After, I'll come and show you guys the next step. I've finished stitching down the zipper, the both side of the zipper. So now I'll place it like so, and sew down the edge from this end to this end, and from this end to this end. I'll leave space here to turn it out after. So basically, after this stage, your bag you're almost done with the bag. The only thing that is left is the handle. But I'll go down and sew down the both sides. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, I've finished sewing down the both sides. Now I'm gonna trim up just from here, from this end. Measure out 2 inches. Okay, let's say 1.5 inches this side, and measure the same 1.5 inches, and cut it out like so. Hope you can see what I'm doing. And use this same guide, use this as your guide, and cut out this side. See, just follow the same pattern. Yes, you have the both sides. So now I'll fold like so. Hope you're watching me. See what I did? The whole thing is like this. You put them together like so. And use your pin to hold it together. These are optional. If you don't want to trim it like this, you can go ahead and flip it out to the right side, and your bag is almost ready. The last thing to do is to insert your straps, like your handle. So now I'll go ahead and do this side as well. Use my pins to hold it together, and I'll do the same the other side, the both ends, and I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Yes, I've finished stitching down the edges on the both fabric. So now I'll use, remember I told you guys you have to leave a space in order to turn it to the good side. So I will just do that right now, and at this stage your bag is almost ready. So make sure your zipper is open. Yes, like so. I'm gonna turn it to the right side. It's a little bit tricky. You have to carefully maneuver it. It's a little bit tricky. Yes. But I'll come back and anyway, let me trim up the excess zipper here on this side. Yes. So now your laptop bag is almost ready. It's ready. Just I want to put the straps, handle, can hold it and carry it. I'll go ahead now and I'll stitch down from this end to this end to make everything flat and nice. I will stitch from here just to hold the lining and put the fabric together. Stitch from here to here, from here to here, and on the both sides. So I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, I've finished doing everything. Like the last thing now is to just to sew down the strap, the handle straps. I'll sew it down and I'll come back to show you guys. But before you do that, you have to check the measurement. Make sure you place the handle at the right place, mostly the center of the bag. So make sure the back side and the front side are facing each other properly, and that's it. I'll go ahead and sew it down. I'll come back to show you the final look of the bag. Yes, at this stage I've finished sewing down the straps, the handle. You see, it's complete. This is the side bag and the zipper. You see? So yeah, that's it. And it's a very easy bag. It's not something that is difficult. It's very easy and simple, especially when you make it without lining. But this one today took a little bit time because you have to insert your lining. So I'll go ahead and then put the laptop. Yeah, this is it. And your side pocket, you can put your pen or anything, your keys here, your car keys or anything you like, and that is it. So this is the end of our tutorial, laptop bag tutorial. So give it a try. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. See you guys next time. Bye.